In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my little Christmas haul that I did. I've been trying to ease into it and take it a little slower and not just jump right into Christmas because I've done it before in the past and then I end up sick of my Christmas decorations before Christmas even gets here. So I'm trying to take it a little slower and decorate mid-November, so that's the plan as of now. I will probably slowly start to decorate some of like my shelves and little tables and things, but I'm not putting up the Christmas tree until halfway through November. But that doesn't mean that I can't participate and buy all of the fun things at the store. So I have already started shopping. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I have so far. I've gone to Hobby Lobby, Target, and then just grabbed a couple things from Bath Body Works, and I ordered my Christmas PURA scents. So that's everything that I'm gonna show you guys today. And then I ordered an art light from Amazon that I'm gonna be putting up at the very end of the video. So let's just jump right on into it. I'm gonna go with Target first. These aren't exactly holiday, but gold to me just goes hand in hand with Christmas. So I got this cute tapered set of candlesticks that I have been wanting, and honestly I'll probably put these up a little bit early because they're not Christmas, but I just think the gold makes the holidays a little bit more magical. So a lot of the stuff that I do have decoration wise, not like only what I bought today, but what I already have is gold. But I did get some like greenery and things to mix in. I got this cute little table plant in this adorable ambered glass. I love the cute little white berries. I feel like I do tend to gravitate towards things that have berries in them as well. Not red berries, but like a green or a white. I know I have a wreath already. I bought another wreath that has one and a few stems, so I don't know why I tend to gravitate towards this, but this will be easy for my floating shelves. I also got just a couple things that they had out in the Hearth and Hand Magnolia collection. These are just a cute set of holiday pot holders. I do a lot of baking and cooking around the holidays. These will definitely come in handy, and I also have a cute rack in my kitchen that I can hang them on when I'm not using them. I also got the matching towel. This is just like a little tea towel, also from the Hearth and Home Magnolia collection. They did have quite a few prints, but I wanted to, you know, go with the matchy-matchy theme and keep it consistent. So that is all that I have from Target. We're moving on now to Hobby Lobby. I got some wrapping essentials from Hobby Lobby. I cannot wait to use this thing. I have wanted to order it a few times. I don't know why I never did, but it helps you to perfectly cut your wrapping paper, so I'm really excited. I'm hoping it makes it a lot easier. But this year I am going to wrap every present in the same wrapping paper. I feel like in the past I've gotten a few different wrapping papers that were all within a color scheme, but I kind of wanted to keep them all the same. So I just got one wrapping paper, and then I got a black velvet ribbon to go with it because I couldn't find something that perfectly matched the red or the green. Black velvet it is this holiday season, and I just grabbed two of them just in case. I didn't want to run out. There's 21 feet in each one, so I'm sure I will not run out, but everybody buys stuff up so quickly. If you don't get it, it will be gone, so I couldn't risk possibly running out. I also grabbed these two little ribbons. The red velvet will be going on my tree, and the little twine one I usually use to wrap smaller gifts like client gifts or stuff for friends, and both of these are 30 feet, so I only got one. I feel like I should be good with that. I also grabbed just some hooks for my ornaments because I noticed last year I was scrounging to try to find them. Moving on to the more decor items that I got from Hobby Lobby, I got this cute little gold bell, and this was the only size they had when I went. I think they do have a bigger size, which I'm keep trying to go back and see if they have the bigger one, just so I can stack them side by side and kind of have a little variation. But if not, I still love this one. This is the smaller one, but I think it will be so cute either sitting on a shelf or even hanging by like a garland. Next, I got this cute little star garland that is also gold that I will just be hanging underneath like my main garland on my fireplace, underneath the stockings. So we're just gonna have a lot of layers this year, but I've seen a lot of people doing that and I'm really excited. I think it will turn out so cute. Next, I got this cute little mini wreath, again with the berries, but I thought this would be cute to hang inside somewhere, probably on a mirror, tie a little ribbon on it. I just thought it was so cute, I absolutely had to have it, and I will find a place for it. The last decor item that I got was stems. So I got two different ones. One of them looks kind of like this classic Christmas tree branch. It is a little bit thinner, but I got 3 of these ones, and then I got 2 of these that I think will tie really well together with the little mini wreath that I got. This one does have some little green berries in it, but I already kind of tested them out and layered them inside the vase that I'm planning on putting them in, and I think I will like it. I might need like 1 or 2 more, but I love the all green look. As far as scents go for the holiday season, I think this absolutely sets the tone, it sets the vibe, it makes it cozy and inviting. These are my 2 favorite PURA scents for the holidays. The first one is the Nest scent. It is actually called Holiday, and I think this smells like those simmer pots with oranges, apples, cinnamon sticks, all of the good yumminess. So you definitely need to check this one out. The next one that I got is for if you like more of a fir balsam scent. It's called Fresh Balsam and Cedarwood. It's from Anthropologie. You guys know I love my Anthropologie scents. They can do no wrong. But this is just that classic Christmassy Christmas tree scent. I did grab a few candles from Bath & Body Works. I try to stay away from them because I know that they are full of like chemicals and things like that, but it just doesn't feel like the holiday season without them. So I have my Puras, which are non-toxic for your pets and your kids, and they don't have any phthalates or parabens in them. It's about balance in all things. But I got the 'Tis the Season scent, which is rich red apple, sweet cinnamon, and cedarwood. I have a couple other candles from last year that I didn't get to use, but I did grab one more. And this one is the Tree Farm. The scent notes are crisp pine needle, warm cedar, and spiced apple. This is me and my dad's favorite. I haven't decided if I'm gonna give it to him or not yet. I kind of bought it with that in mind, but now I'm like, but I want it. I think I might have 2 of them though. It's either this one or the balsam one. One of them will be for my dad. I'm just not sure which one. This is the art light that I ordered from Amazon. I'm gonna be hanging over the photo that I have in my main living area of Jesus. So I'm hoping that there will be a place for me to tie a ribbon or a little like garland swag. I'm sure once it's up, I will have a better idea. So let's go put this in. Okay, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like during the day. This light was actually such a good choice. You have this little remote, you can turn it on and off. You can change the hue of the lighting. You can set a timer for 15, 30, or 60 minutes to leave the light on, and you can also adjust the brightness up or down. It was super easy to install. It came with a little paper that had the measurements for me. I literally drew 2 circles in the center, put the screws in. It said to leave about 3 to 4 millimeters on the screws. And then there was just a little hole on the back of this main base to slide the screws into. Also has this little built-in level, so you can adjust it however you need to make sure that this is perfectly straight. The base also has a place to turn it on and off and adjust the brightness. I am so happy with this light. I got it on Amazon. Like I said, it was only $19, but I definitely think it brightens up this little corner. That is everything that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.